Hello guys, ayun. Nakwatsa na naman si Inday. Kasama namin si Caribal. Go Caribal! Get in! Oh, diba? Ang galing. Ang galing kasama namin itong aming Caribal. Ayan. Bali papunta kami ng Pensacola. Tapos kukuha lang kami ng glasses ni Jusawa. Then bibili na rin kami ng pagkain. Kasi manonood sila ng mga pinsan niya ng football. So para may makain daw sila. Tapos, diretso na kami sa bahay ng pinsan niya. Kasama namin itong Caribal namin. Ayan o. Dahil malamig, naka-jacket na ang aking Caribal. Diba? Galing-galing o.
You ready to go bye-bye?
Drive-thru kami dito sa Chick-fil-A.
Hello.
Hi, can I have a name for the order?
Steven.
I'm pretty sorry for you.
Let me get two number ones.
What drinks with those?
A Coke on one and a lemonade on the other.
Do I need dipping sauce? Oh, hi.
Yeah, I figured she wanted to smell you. No, I don't think we need any sauces.
Alright. Total's gonna be $21.72.
It's okay. Well, I'm sure you'll get a bite of chicken. Don't worry.
Yeah. Is that for you?
Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, puppy.
Yun. 11 na at gutom na kami. So, drive-thru para makakain kami for breakfast. 11. Pero
it's actually
breakfast.
lunch. We're getting lunch.
Yeah. So then,
Yes. Thank you.
Does your dog want a treat?
I'm sure she does. Oh, look at there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Huh? What is that?
wow, you got the treats. Thank you.
Okay, hush. Yeah, that's your treat.
Nakarating na rin kami dito sa Eyeglass World. Ayan. So, kakarating lang namin dito sa Eyeglass World. Ayun, dito magpipick up si Jusawa ng glasses niya. Yun, tapos itong aking Caribal, gigil na gigil kasi yung katabi naming sasakyan, mayroong aso at itong si Caribal ko, tinatahulan niya, hindi siya pinapansin kaya nagigigil. Oh. Diba? Medyo malamig kaya naka-jacket ng aking Caribal. Yan. Diba? Maya-maya after ni Jusawa dito sa Eyeglass kasi mag-ano lang siya ma-pick up, ay pupunta naman kami sa Hot Wings. Yun. Kukuha kami, pipick up kami ng Hot Wings na dadalhin namin sa bahay ng pinsan niya kasi manonood sila ng football. Ayan. We're done at the Eyeglass World. Look guwapo on his new glasses. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng nakabili niya. Yun. Transitional yung nakuha niyang glasses. Then next stop.
Wingstop.
Wingstop. Wingstop guys. Yung kulay green. Ayun. Karating lang namin dito. Ang aking Caribal nagtataka na bakit na naman kami nag-stop. Pero magpipick up kami ng Hot Wings. Ayan. May gulay. Look guys. A lot. And there's another one there. Ang dami niyang in-order. 50 pieces of Hot Wings. Pero
and
dahil si
also
Caribal.
the Cajun corn.
What else?
Cajun corn and carrots and celery and blue cheese.
And because Caribal is there at the back, we need to put it
Yeah,
here.
she might eat it. She might start the party early.
Baka hindi namin mapansin. Ubus na pala yung pagkain sa likod. So, dito na lang sa akin. Oh, guys. Nakikita nyo ba? Yung 3-mile bridge from here. Ayan, diba? Pauwi na tayo. Next stop, bahay. Kukuha lang tayo
Continue for 8.
Next stop ay Tom Tams. Tom Tams. Bibili kami ng alak. Para may mainom kami, bibili kami ng alak. Tada! We're home guys. Ayan. Kukuha lang kami ng inumin. At iba pang gamit din. Alis na rin kami agad. Dahil wala kaming nabili doon sa Tom Tams na alak. Dadaan kami sa Walmart. So, meron kami dito. Konti. Ayan. Diba dito? Pag may get together sila, kanya-kanya silang dala ng alak. At saka pagkain. So, meron kaming hot wings. At saka meron kaming dalang soft drinks and alak. Yun. Kumpletuhin lang namin ng ice, din alis na kami. We're ready again.
Ready again.
Next stop, Cousin Mike.
We're going to stop by the neighborhood Walmart.
Okay.
To see the Hill's drinks.
Okay. Dahil kulang kami sa alak. Dadaan kami sa Walmart.
Good girl, good girl. Such a good girl.
Ang bilis sumakyat ni Caribal. Okay, next stop guys. Bahay ni Cousin Mike. Ayun, nakabili na ng alak. Ayan, tapos na. Nakaihi na si Caribal. Tada! Nakarating din tayo sa bahay ni Cousin Mike.
Oh, wow.
There's
Amazon.
a lot.
What's Amazon doing here?
Ang daming nakaano parada. Oh my God. Ang aming Caribal.
Yo, you at, huh? You at?
What's up, here's your buddy. Here's your buddy. Come here.
She really know that it's food. Ang Caribal ko.
I got some more for you.
Kung nasaan ang pagkain, nandun dapat si Caribal. Oh my God. Hindi talaga yan laalis dyan.
Buddy, buddy's over with. There you go, Jenny. Yeah. Come on. There you go. Good girl. You're a good girl, aren't you? Huh? Get it off the bone for you. Okay, all right.
Caribal, you're impatient. Football time. With eating time.
That big. A small. Only a smaller one.
Diba? Tadaan! Ganito sila dito. May
Potato salad.
pakain.
Don't you do it. Yep.
Then meron silang potato salad. Then, chicken wings. Ito. Diba? Chicken wings.
Oh,
May
yeah,
patuloy. Celery. Another. Oh.
Down.
Oh, they have a lot of handa here. Ayan, diba? Football. Ando naman yung iba. Balutin mo ako. Magbabalot itong isa. Kala mo Pinay lang ang nagbabalot. Ito din yung isa, magbabalot din siya. Ayan. Balutin mo ako ng maniwaga. Hello guys, kakarating lang namin galing dun sa bahay ng pinsan ni Josawa. Pakita ko sa inyo ang aming binalot. Tadaan! Meron kaming ribs at saka egg salad. Diba? Tapos, tadadadadan! Celery and carrots. Diba? Medyo madami ito na yung nabalot. Next is, tadaan! Corn. Tadaan, diba? Hindi naubos yung pagkain kanina, kaya nagdala kami. Tapos, ito ito yung last. Tadan! Chicken wings. Hot wings at regular na chicken. Yan. Diba? Karibal excited. Oh! Karibal is so excited sa mga binalot namin. Ayun. Thank you guys for watching. Ayan. Ito yung mga binalot namin galing doon sa panonood ng football. Bye-bye!